the Smart Money Stop 01 indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can access the indicator on the TradingView website. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. To access the indicator on the TradingView website, go to the indicator section, search for the indicator's name, and then select it to apply it to your chart. For quicker and easier access to this indicator, add it to your favorites on TradingView by enabling the Add to Favorites option. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, it begins to identify and plot the 01 setup, which is specific to the Smart Money style on the price chart. The way this setup works is based on identifying two order block zones nested within each other, and after the BOS break of structure level is broken, a buy or sell signal is generated. In this section, the price was in a downtrend, and after that, there was a price hesitation in this area, then it continued its trend again. As the price moves downward, it breaks a BOS, break of structure, level in this area. After the BOS level is broken, the first order block zone is confirmed for us, and then the indicator waits for the price to return to the order block zone or to touch the order block zone. After the price reaches the order block zone, the indicator waits for the BOS, break of structure level, to be broken. Once the BOS level is broken, the second order block zone is identified for us, and two zones are drawn for us. In the final step, after the order block zone is drawn, a buy or sell signal is generated. We can then enter a buy or sell trade when the price returns to the first or second order block zone. In this case, after the sell signal was generated on this candle, we could have entered a sell trade. We place our stop loss behind the order block zone and enter a sell trade. Here we can see that when the price reached the order block zone, it continued its downward trend with even more strength. In the settings section under inputs, there is only one option available where we can set the pivot period for identifying the order block, which is set to 2 by default. By increasing this value, the order blocks that are identified will be based on longer periods and will have greater reliability. And the lower we set this value, the more order blocks will be identified for us, which will be based on shorter periods, and ultimately will have less reliability. In the final section, by enabling this option, the information related to the inputs will be displayed for us, and by disabling this section, the information will be hidden. Well friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.